gone, he's gone, he's gone! James's tyre's gone. I think it's a canister job, innit? You got a canister, James? Fucking just burped it all out. Isn't this the one I hit his head on?
Yeah.
Ugh. Ja.